Hey there, millionaires! Molly here, welcoming you back to another empowering episode on Wondrous Millionaires, your ultimate hub for all things business, wealth, and success. Today, we are diving into one of the most crucial yet often overlooked aspects of success: building a strong network. Picture this: you're at a conference, surrounded by potential mentors, partners, and clients. You have two choices: stay in your comfort zone or step out, make connections, and unlock endless opportunities. Which one sounds like the path to success? Exactly. Networking is the golden key that can open doors you never even knew existed. It's not just about exchanging business cards, it's about building relationships that can propel you to unimaginable heights. So, buckle up, millionaires, because today we are unraveling the secrets to creating a powerful network that will set you on the fast track to success. And trust me, you won't want to miss a single moment of this journey. Stick around till the end because we have a special bonus tip that can skyrocket your networking game. Ready to become a networking ninja? Let's dive in. Number 1. Start with a clear goal. Imagine trying to hit a target with your eyes closed. Pretty tough, right? The same goes for networking without a clear goal. Millionaires, the first step in building a strong network is to have a clear objective. What are you aiming to achieve with your networking efforts? Is it finding new clients, potential partners, or maybe mentors who can guide you? For instance, if you're an entrepreneur in India looking to expand your startup, identifying key investors and industry leaders who align with your vision is crucial. By setting clear goals, you can focus your efforts and make meaningful connections that align with your ambitions. Remember, clarity is power. Number 2. Leverage the power of social media. Ever thought of your social media as your networking gold mine? It's time to start. In today's digital age, social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and even Instagram are treasure troves for networking. Start by creating a professional profile that highlights your expertise and interests. Engage with posts from industry leaders, join relevant groups, and don't hesitate to reach out for virtual coffee chats. For example, in India, platforms like LinkedIn are booming with professionals from various fields. A single thoughtful comment on a post could lead to a conversation and eventually a significant business opportunity. Social media is your tool to connect beyond borders and build a global network. Number 3. Attend industry events and conferences. Stepping out of your comfort zone can lead you straight into the room where decisions are made. Millionaires, attending industry events and conferences is like diving into a pool of opportunities. These gatherings are where you meet key players, learn about the latest trends, and showcase your knowledge. Take, for instance, the annual Startup India Conference. It's a melting pot of entrepreneurs, investors, and innovators. By actively participating, you can make connections that might lead to partnerships or investments. The key is to be present, be engaged, and follow up with the people you meet. Your next big break could be just a handshake away. Number 4. Offer value before asking for favors. Want to make a lasting impression? Start by giving, not taking. When building a network, it's essential to focus on how you can provide value to others. This could be through sharing your expertise, offering help on a project, or simply being a connector. For example, if you're in the tech industry in India, offering insights or help with a tech problem can create a strong bond with potential partners or clients. By leading with value, you build trust and credibility, making people more willing to reciprocate. Remember, a network built on mutual benefit is a network that stands the test of time. Number 5. Follow up and stay in touch. The real magic of networking happens in the follow-up. Making a connection is just the beginning, nurturing it is where the real work lies. Follow up with new contacts shortly after meeting them, referencing something specific from your conversation to make it personal. For instance, if you met a potential client at a business expo in Bangalore, send them an email summarizing your discussion and proposing a next step. Staying in touch doesn't always have to be about business. Sometimes a quick check-in or sharing an interesting article can keep the relationship warm. Consistency in maintaining contact shows reliability and helps keep you top of mind. Number 6. Join professional associations and groups. Ever wondered where the experts hang out? Professional groups are their playgrounds. Professional associations and groups are fantastic for meeting like-minded individuals and industry experts. Join groups relevant to your field, attend their meetings, and participate in their activities. For example, the Indian Angel Network is a great platform for budding entrepreneurs to connect with angel investors. By being an active member, you not only gain valuable insights but also expand your network with people who can significantly impact your career. These groups often provide a supportive community where you can share your challenges and get feedback. Number 7. Master the art of small talk. Small talk is the gateway to big opportunities. Many dread small talk, but it's a crucial skill in networking. It's about breaking the ice and finding common ground. Start with simple topics like recent events, the venue, or shared interests. For instance, if you're at a business meetup in Mumbai, you could start with, "What brought you to this event?" or "How are you finding the city?" These seemingly trivial conversations can lead to deeper discussions and opportunities. Remember, the goal is to establish rapport and open the door to a more meaningful relationship. Number 8. Be a good listener. Want to be remembered? Listen more than you speak. Millionaires, one of the most overlooked aspects of networking is the power of listening. People appreciate when they feel heard and understood. When engaging in conversations, focus on listening attentively and asking insightful questions. For instance, if you're talking to a potential mentor, show genuine interest in their experiences and insights. In India, where personal relationships often form the foundation of business, being a good listener can set you apart and build stronger, more lasting connections. It's about making the other person feel valued and respected. Number 9. Utilize alumni networks. Your old school ties might be your ticket to new opportunities. Alumni networks are a powerful yet often underutilized resource. Reach out to your college or university alumni association and get involved in their activities. These networks are full of professionals who share a common background and are often more willing to help. For instance, many IIT alumni groups in India have robust networks of successful entrepreneurs and industry leaders. By tapping into this resource, you can find mentors, job opportunities, or even potential business partners who share a connection with your alma mater. Number 10. Embrace a mentor-mentee relationship. Behind every successful person is a mentor who believed in them. Finding a mentor can be a game changer in your networking journey. A mentor not only provides guidance and advice but also opens doors to new opportunities. Look for someone who has walked the path you aspire to and reach out to them with a clear and respectful request for mentorship. For example, many successful entrepreneurs in India, like Ratan Tata, often credit their mentors for their success. A mentor-mentee relationship is not just beneficial for learning but also for expanding your network through your mentor's connections. Here's your bonus point number 11. Be authentic and build genuine relationships. Authenticity is your superpower in the networking world. Millionaires, the most important tip of all is to be authentic. People can sense when you're genuine, and this authenticity helps in building strong, meaningful relationships. Don't network just for the sake of it, be genuinely interested in the people you meet. Share your true self and your real interests. For example, in a diverse country like India, where relationships often go beyond business, being authentic helps in building trust and lasting bonds. When you build relationships on authenticity, they tend to be more resilient and fruitful. Wow, what a journey, millionaires! Today, we explored the critical steps to building a strong network, from setting clear goals and leveraging social media to embracing mentorship and maintaining authenticity. Remember, networking is not just about what you know but also about who you know and how you nurture those relationships. So, are you ready to take your networking game to the next level? Comment below and let us know which tip you're excited to implement first. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wondrous Millionaires.